how to sort and filter in Wrike. Hello friends, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can sort and filter tags in Wrike. Okay, sorting and filtering helps you organize and focus on specific tasks within your workspace, and here is how to do it. So sorting tags, all right, the first thing to do is to um use the board view or the table view. Okay, now to sort your tags using the table view, just move to the left side of the screen after logging in into your account, and then um select the space or the project you would like to work with. For me, I'll be working with advertisements. Then after selecting the space or selecting the table or selecting the space you'd like to work with, you can see that the view here is the table view, right? Exactly. So once you have this already, you can use this particular view to sort. And I can use sort under the heading and under the some description about the space. You can see a tab showcasing the view, showcasing all active tags, then priority. So you can use this priority to sort. Okay, so once you click on priority, you can see the different ways, the different arrangement, and they include priority name, assigning status. So that means that if you want the name to come first or status or anything, you'd have to select it using this particular tab. For me, for example, I use name. You can see you can now sort out things on this table using this name. All right. So another thing that you can try out is through due dates too. So through due dates, you can also only select due dates under this option. Taxes with earlier due dates would appear before taxes with later due dates. That way. So you can also filter tax using the board view. And how can you get the board view? Go to the top part, click on view, click on board, and click on create. And then once you've created the board view, yeah, you can easily click the current filtering group on the top left corner of the board view next to the filter option. Alright, so once you click on more, so to get this filter option, all you need to do is to go to the all tags, click on it, and then you can see more filters. These are the current filters here. So any of the filter you select here will determine how the items or how the tags in this board will be arranged. Then you can select further filters by clicking on more filters, and you are good to go. So this is how you can sort and filter in Wrike. Thanks for watching and have a good day.